rise of VTubers, how virtual YouTubers are changing online entertainment. Have you ever watched a YouTuber who's not quite human? Meet VTubers, virtual YouTubers who are taking online entertainment by storm. From anime-inspired avatars to groundbreaking technology, VTubers are redefining how creators and audiences interact. But how did this trend start, and what's fueling its explosive growth? VTubers are content creators who use virtual avatars instead of showing their real faces on camera. These avatars are typically animated and controlled in real time using motion capture and voice modulation technology. Popular platforms for VTubers include YouTube, Twitch, and even TikTok. Think of them as a fusion of gaming, animation, and performance art. A VTuber can be a cheerful anime character, a futuristic robot, or even a talking animal, whatever the creator envisions. Visual stats showing the growth of VTubing, such as VTubers collectively earned over $100 million in 2023. Host, voiceover. The numbers are staggering. VTubing is now a multi-million-dollar industry, with some creators amassing millions of subscribers and views. Visual archive footage of Kizuna AI, widely regarded as the first VTuber. Host, voiceover. The VTuber phenomenon began in Japan in 2016 with Kizuna AI, often called the world's first VTuber. Her playful personality and high-quality animation set the stage for an entirely new genre of content. Cut to a timeline of VTuber evolution, with key moments highlighted. Since then, platforms like Hololive and Nijisanji have professionalized VTubing, turning it into a global industry. These agencies recruit and train VTubers, providing them with resources to create high-quality content and build their fan bases. Visual clips of international VTubers speaking different languages and connecting with global audiences. Host on screen. What started as a niche in Japan has grown into a global phenomenon, with VTubers creating content in dozens of languages and gaining fans worldwide. Segment 3. Why are VTubers so popular? 4:30 here and 7 o'clock. Visual, fans engaging. In live chats with a VTuber during a gaming stream. Host, voiceover. So why are VTubers so popular? First, there's the appeal of escapism. VTuber avatars create a sense of fantasy and creativity that sets them apart from traditional content creators. For many fans, it's like watching a character from their favorite anime or video game come to life. A clip of a VTuber performing a live concert with fans cheering virtually. Second, VTubers offer a unique level of interactivity. Many of them stream live, engaging with fans in real time through chat and interactive events like gaming sessions or Q&A streams. Visual, a comparison of VTuber avatars versus traditional YouTubers. And let's not forget anonymity. For creators, VTubing allows them to maintain their privacy while still expressing themselves creatively. Visual, behind-the-scenes footage of a VTuber creator using motion capture equipment. The magic of VTubers lies in the technology. Most creators use motion capture software to track their movements and facial expressions, syncing them with their virtual avatars. Programs like VTube Studio or Live 2D make it easier than ever for aspiring VTubers to bring their characters to life. Cut to host on screen demonstrating how simple VTuber software works. And with advancements in AI, avatars are becoming more expressive and lifelike, enhancing the viewer experience. Visual, concept art of futuristic VTuber avatars with AI-driven personalities. What's next for VTubing? Experts predict that AI will play a massive role in its future. Imagine VTubers powered by artificial intelligence, capable of generating content, holding complex conversations, or even adapting their personalities based on audience feedback. Cut to host on screen with a futuristic background. We're also seeing VTubers collaborate with mainstream brands, host virtual concerts, and even explore the metaverse. The possibilities are endless. Scene, a VTuber avatar waving at their audience during a live stream. VTubers are more than just digital characters. They're reshaping the entertainment industry. Whether it's through gaming, music, or community engagement, VTubers prove that creativity knows no bounds in the digital age. Cut to host smiling at the camera. What do you think about the rise of VTubers? Are they the future of online entertainment or just a passing trend? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insights into how technology is transforming our world. End screen. Subscribe for more tech and culture insights. Background music fades out.